An eyewash safety shower is designed to wash away chemicals that have come into contact with the eyes and surrounding skin. Until now, no one has found a solution for safety showers in hot environments, where stagnant water overheats and causes safety showers to become a dangerous hazard instead of being an aid. Heat Trap Solutions has solved the combined problems of scalding temperatures, excessive losses of potable water from anti-scald devices and unsafe levels of Legionella.
Because the showers are dispensing minimum 75 litres a minute, which is 8 times your normal shower, that's a lot of water coming down. If it contains Legionella bacteria, it can also be very, very dangerous. And so we want to make sure that we can keep that water clean and bacteria free. So we circulate through a UV sterilizer to kill the bacteria, and also a cooling circuit to take the heat out of the water, and we can circulate cool water.